Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The main purpose of this video is to give some lights on the new education policy 2020. So the government has taken the revolutionary steps and addressed almost all the criticisms and came up with the new education policy 2020. So let me put some lights on the new education policy, what things have been included. So basically, the new education policy, which the main the thing which they have addressed is from in 10 plus 2, the students were categorized into the science, commerce, and humanities. So we as a 90s people, so if we go for a commerce or if we go for a science, we have to go through only the subjects available in that segment. So now it has been changed, wherein a commerce guy can choose a subject in the humanities. Assume that a student has taken admission into the commerce and he is interested into any subject in the humanities, so he can choose that particular subject. So basically, in the new education system, uh, the education starts at the 3 years. So first stage, that is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, and in the first 5 years, it is about class 1 and 2 and the preschool, whereas the next stage, it is the preparatory stage, which is of 3 years, which is from class 3 to 5, which is from age 8 to 11, wherein the play discovery and activity based interactive classroom learning is be done. And when it comes to the next stage, which is the middle stage, which is again of 3 years, from class 6 to 8, which is from age 11 to 14, where experience learning in the science, mathematics, arts, social science, and humanities. And the next stage, which is the secondary stage, which is of the 4 years, which is from class 9 to 12, that is from age 14 to 18. As I said, the multidisciplinary learning, student from a science stream can choose a subject into the commerce stream. And the very next important thing what the government has included is, uh, they thought of spending more money on the education. So government has decided to spend at least 6% of their GDP on the education sector, which is currently 3%. And the students will be from class 6, the students will be given more importance on the internship, and they will have to undergo the 10-day bagless period. uh, they will be given a practical exposure for the vocational training like welding, plumbing, carpenter, and so on. And when it comes to the report card, so the present system is the teacher evaluate the performance of the student, but in the new education policy, along with the teacher, the student will assess himself, that is called as self assessment, and the other classmates will also assess the candidate's performance. Another important aspect which they have included is, so the present education system, जो हम लोग बोलते हैं रट्टा मार के एग्ज़ाम लिखना, so to avoid that one, uh, the exams have been designed as a critical thinking and based on the analysis. And when it comes to the graduation program after 12th, assume that a student has taken admission into the BTech, and after 1 year he wished to drop out and go to the another course. So yes, the credit transfer is available. He can take the exit and join the another course. Assume that a candidate takes an exit after 1 year, he or she shall be provided with a certificate. Uh, if a candidate takes an exit after 2 years, will be awarded with a diploma. If a candidate takes an exit after 3 years, will be provided with a bachelor's degree. And uh, assume that the candidate has finished 4 years of graduation. He or she will be provided with a bachelor's research degree, and after the graduation of 4 years, uh, the post graduation programs like MA or MSc, they shall be of 1 year. And if the present the students who are into the graduation of 3 years, they will have the post graduation of 2 years. And the final thing is, the government has given the permission for 100 foreign universities to set up in India. So these are the positive aspects of new education policy. Hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel Rakesh Malipatil, and kindly click on the bell icon for more updates. So thank you for watching the video.